Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I want to show you this red light therapy lamp that this brand sent to me for this video, which I gotta say that it could be good for either if you need to take care of something related to the skin. I can't say too much about that because my video can get muted or rejected. But if you also need to take care of that in some like skin situations or something like that, red light therapy could be really good. But also, you can also benefit from this one for like muscle things, like for example, like a post-surgery, post-op or something like that. You can benefit from the red light therapy. It comes with a wired remote control right here. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds and how it works. But this one is fully extensible. It comes with a kind of like a big base. You can extend it. You can kind of like do this. You can just rotate it. You can go up. You can go down. Anything you want, and you can even extend it more if you also need. So you can point it at your face, for example, at your neck, at your body, at your shoulders. You can be laying down and just like pointing down as well. So that is really cool that you have a 360 experience like this one. Let's actually just turn off the light so you can see how this one works in the 3 different levels and also the strobe mode. Okay, check it out. I took the necessary measurements. I actually put my goggles on that comes with the package. So you're gonna have right here, you're gonna have the all in, so which you're gonna be kind of like, and let me show it to you right here so you can see a little bit more on screen. But then you have multiple values, which is going to be depending on what you want to do. For example, you have this one, the 660, the 850, and the 940. Though those two are going to be invisible to the eye, but also just remember, use that one. I mean, not invisible to the eye, but for the therapy thing. And also you have, for example, the kind of like the dimmable function right here. And you also have a timer as well. You can do 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever you want. You can also do this one. This is going to be the other mode of therapy, which is going to be the strobe mode. But of course, you can actually go a little bit higher if you also want. So I'm going to actually turn it off and go 660 again. So you can see that this one, I'm using my goggles right here. Remember, you got to use them as well. But it's going to be good for your entire body or just focusing in one area at a time. Like it, and I hope this one is the right one for you.